I think vacuuming the floors you have to do before you steam mop. So here's the rule of thumb before you start steam mopping or mopping floors. First, get rid of all the debris on the floor, the dust, crumbs, everything. Once you're finished dusting and getting rid of the debris and dust, then you can steam mop your floors. And never use harsh chemicals on your floors. And for steam mops, it's best to use distilled water. The reason for that is because of calcium buildup. Calcium buildup will ruin your lifespan of your steam mops. It's always advised to use distilled water for any kind of coffee machine, steam mops, and even probably you can use distilled water, probably in the Bizzle carpet cleaner, depends. But I recommend distilled water for those kind of machines. They work better, they run better, and it stops calcium buildup. Because you're going to ruin your machine with calcium buildup. Over the years, calcium will build up in your machine. Now, using distilled water will help prevent that kind of buildup, and it will make your machine run faster, and it will have a longer lifespan. And when you're done plugging in your steam mop, unplug it. It doesn't need charge. Only these vacuums that come with a charger do.